PlaneUpload allows to download any file compressed as a zip archive. With just one click, you can download all the files as one compressed zip. PlaneUpload allows you to set up automated backup in just a few clicks. Just switch on the button which cloud you want to backup, and choose the other cloud. All uploaded files will be copied there. Now when we upload a file, it will be stored on our Dropbox, and copied into our Google Drive. To set automatic file compression, just switch the button on the cloud you want to compress the files. All uploaded files over 1 MB will be compressed as a zip archive. Now when we upload a file, it will be stored on our Dropbox, and archived as a zip file on the Google Drive account.